Adjust headrest height based on seat back profile.
Step-by-step translation. Position the buckle textured side up. Insert the strap end upward through the forward hole of the buckle. After pulling through, immediately reverse downward and thread through the backward hole of the buckle.
Install the seat back. Open the seat back flap before installation. Install the top of the seat. Installing the seat bottom. Buckle for connecting the backrest. To keep the wool soft and fluffy, brush it gently against the grain with a wide-tooth comb. Covers will feel snug at first. The wool will loosen up and shape to your seat within a couple of days.